Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with PP. Today we solve rest question of exercise 1.1 of class 9th chapter rational number. So let's start our video. We have a question number 3 that to find 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. As I told you in previous lecture that there are infinite number of rational number between any two number. And in this question we have to find 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So multiply and divide by 6 or any number greater than 5. So we get 3 upon 5 equals to 3 upon 5 into 6 upon 6, it gives 18 upon 30, and 4 upon 5 equals to 4 upon 5 into 6 upon 6 gives 24 upon 30. Thus we have to find 5 rational number. So we get 9 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30 and 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. These numbers are less than 3 upon 5 and not greater than 4 upon 5. So it is our required answer of this question. Our next question is state whether the following statements are true and false. Give reason for your answer. Question number 1 is every natural number is a whole number. So consider the whole number and natural number separate. We know that whole number start with 0 to infinite, is it? And natural number start with 1 to infinite. So we can say that every natural number lie between in whole number. Therefore, we conclude that every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. We can say that every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. This is a required answer of this question. I hope you guys understand this answer. Our next question is every integer is a whole number. So again we conclude every integer and whole number separately. We know that integers are those numbers that can be written in a form of p upon q, where q equals to 1. Integers are those numbers which can be written in form of p upon q and q is equals to 1. So series of integers are as -3, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. ठीक है? And I told you in previous question that whole number start with 0 to infinite. So we conclude that whole number series lie in a series of integer. But remember here every integer does not appear in whole number, but every whole number can be appear in integer. So be remember on solving this question. I hope you guys understand this question. So we can say that every whole number is a integer, but every integer is not a whole number. Now our next question is every rational number is a whole number. So let's solve it. Here again we consider rational number and whole number separately. As I told in previous video that whole number are the number which can be written in a form of p upon q, where p does not equals to 0. So we have which can be written in form of P upon Q and Q does not equals to 0. ठीक है. And I told in previous question that a whole number is start with 0 to infinite. So we know that whole number are 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So we can write a whole number in this form also. Zero upon 1 or 1 upon 1 or 2 upon 1 or 3 upon 1 or 4 upon 1 or so on. So we can say that every whole number is a rational number. But remember that every rational number is not a whole number. Therefore we can say that every rational number is not a whole number. So every whole number is a rational number, but every rational number is not a whole number. Remember that. So I hope you guys understand both these questions, and if you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button or hit the subscribe button, and see you in next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home. If you want to ask any question, ask in the comment section, so I will give you solution to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.